Hi folks, today I bring to you a crystal liquid display which make use of the driver with a reference HT1623. In this LCD the driver comes encapsulated of the normal 100 KFP format, but this is acceptable because the LCD segments reveals this is a LCD with a proprietary design. Anyway, the comments and the writing method is like a normal capsule driver. The datasheet is available on the web and help about how we can control the driver. On the code, I only created the chars used on the message present. Let's do you the creation of the remaining chars. I do the alert of the care about the method I used to construct the chars. You need take present, which in the command of the 14 bits, you have the first 3 digits 101 to define as a write command. After have the A6 until A0 to the memory address, and at last you have the D0 until D3, which is the definition of the segments must stay on or off. By this reason, the construction of the chars go track by send the totality of the 4 bits belongs to the memory address used. I let in the code 2 functions to allow the presentation of the message. One is based on the letter by letter and repeat the lines by each char. The other is a function which receives a pointer to the array of the letter and the size of the array. The final result is the same, only the code stays available to more persons because have two solutions. I don't use a flexible write at digits, use yes a fixed address to write the segments. But of course you can draw the code by applying a skip on the memory address to turn it more flexible. You will see which the skip on the segments is fixed. For example, the alphanumeric digit of the position in the center, digit 5 of the below line, you observe the skip is have a value of the 8 by from digit to digit, and the segments inside of the same digits have a skip of 6. The suggestion is done, and of course the code to do the animation of the phrase is more easy if we use this method. As normal, I get help of a function triggered by a press button to identify the segments. After a comment line to find the segments, we can press the button and observe the change of the segments in the display. This allows to find the code to the segment with a fast process.